What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at what is this style of white wine that is produced in the south of France, in the Languedoc wine region. This is a style of still white wines, unlike the Clairette The Clairette du Languedoc is a still white wine that is made exclusively from the Clairette grape variety. Yes, Clairette is a grape variety. Now, there isn't one singular style for Clairette du Languedoc. Some are rather light and dry, some can be richer and more opulent, even as far as a rancio, kind of old aged wine style of white wine. How do you go about pronouncing Clairette du Languedoc? Clairette du Languedoc. Clairette du Languedoc. Here are many more videos if you like learning about your wine to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.